This massive tornado. I think I should back up. Hold on, guys. Let me in. I'm going in it. It's 6 a.m. This lasted for like 8 hours. In the game, not real. Look where it's going. I'm walking towards it. I'm gonna go in it. Hold on, let me get my car. I need to get my car. There's my car. Just need to get in. And by the way, this is the Dominator 2. Dominator 1, I meant. This thing might be dead. Too little too close. But this, guys, this is my car. That's a tornado that's behind me. I think I should be